Ready? Start. The Delhi High Court on Monday sought a report on the aspect of basic amenities to be provided to inmates lodged in cities Lampur Detention Restriction Center and also said that they may be provided with adequate legal aid as required. Stop. Para. A division bench comprising of Justice Siddharth Mridul and Justice Rajneesh Bhatnagar requested Anu Grover Baliga, Secretary of Delhi High Court Legal Services Committee, to visit the said center at her earliest convenience and to file a report qua provision of basic amenities to inmates as well as to ensure that they have adequate legal aid as may be required by them. Stop. The bench also noted that the superintendent of the center, who was present before the court, undertook to render every possible assistance regarding the said visit. Stop. The court was hearing a disposed of plea which was filed by one Ruma Bibi, whose husband bracket alleged to be a Pakistani national bracket close was kept in the detention center after he completed his jail sentence. Stop. Para. Since the petitioner's husband was later released, the matter was disposed of. Stop. However, the plea was kept pending on the larger issue of lack of facilities for detainees lodged inside the detention center. Stop. Para. On earlier occasions, the court had directed the principal district and sessions judge bracket high quarters bracket close to depute a judicial officer to visit the center and inspect the same with respect to the conditions prevailing there. Stop. Para. During the course of hearing today, the court was apprised by the counsel appearing for the petitioner regarding various issues faced by the inmates. Stop. It was highlighted that the inmates do not have adequate bed sheets in the summer and are still using the blankets given to them during winters. Stop. Para. Another issue highlighted was regarding the lack of legal aid. Stop. The court was also told that the inmates seeking redressal for their acquittals and other legal remedies do not have access to lawyers and that a lawyer visits the center only once a month. Stop. Para. Accordingly, the court sought report to be filed on or before May 31, the next date of hearing. Stop. Para. It was alleged that the husband of the petitioner was detained in the detention center and that the condition of the center was very pathetic for want of cleanliness and hygiene and no medical facilities were being provided to the detainees there. Stop. Para. It was also submitted before the court that the detainees were not permitted to communicate with their with their families and their counsels, and no legal aid was provided to them. Stop over.